Do you want to learn how to bake this beautiful $150 looking strawberry and coconut cake? I'm Ala, the CEO and founder of Ala's Yummy Food. I'm absolutely obsessed with cakes and baking, and I'm hosting a free masterclass on this stunning cake because I would love to teach you how to make it. In this masterclass, I will teach you step by step on how to assemble the layers, how to make chewy coconut sponges, strawberry ganache, strawberry confit, and delicious coconut and vanilla mousse. And by the end of the masterclass, you will be able to make and assemble this type of cake yourself. As a bonus, I'm also going to reveal my top tricks and tips on how to cover the cakes in beautiful mirror glaze. And I can even teach you how to create these beautiful cakes and sell them from your home. So register down below for this free masterclass. Last year we ran out of spaces and people got disappointed, so save your spot. I'll leave all the information down below this video and I'll see you in class.